Sometimes a song doesn't just sound good. It shows up when you needed it. For me, the moment came No Stopping You by SB19. There was a time that I felt stuck. Not completely lost, but not moving forward either. I had my goals, my plans, my dreams, things that I wanted to achieve. But sometimes something's holding you back. Doubt, fear, the feeling that maybe you're not ready yet. So I stayed where I was and waiting for the right time. Then I heard this song, No Stopping You, and something about it felt differently. And it wasn't just motivational, but it felt like a push, a reminder that there will never be a perfect time. That waiting um, only keeps you in the same place. And the only way for you to move forward is to start moving. There were moments when you listen to the song and it's, when I have to stop excuses that no more, maybe later, no more, I'm not ready yet. And I actually believe there's nothing stopping me except myself. What this song made me realize that the growth doesn't wait for you to feel ready. You become ready by moving forward, by trying, by failing, by learning, and choosing to keep going anyway. And sometimes all you need is just one push to start. You know, SB19 song always come with a message, not just to inspire, but to challenge you, to remind you of what you are capable of. And for me, No Stopping You became that reminder. So I ask you, what SB19 song that came to you the perfect time? The one that pushed you to move forward. So comment here below. I love to hear your story. Hi, this is Ross, where SB19 song becomes part of my growth. If this resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me with this journey. Because sometimes the song that you hear at the right moment is the one that changes everything.